Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to import an enterprise guide project and convert it into a workflow. Head over to File, click Import. Under Alter, select EGP Import. Find the location where you have stored your EGP file. Once you have found your file, select it. Click Next. Click External and click Browse. Find the directory where you want to store your workflow. Once you have selected your folder, click Finish. Click Next. Click Next, and then click Finish. Head over to Local and find the directory where you have stored the workflow.